If you're using the Yahoo Mail app on your Android phone and you want to sign out, you won't find a traditional log out button. Instead, Yahoo uses an account management system where you can remove or disable the account from the app. So the steps are: go ahead and open your Yahoo Mail application on your Android phone, log into your account, and after that, tap on your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Manage Accounts option, that is below Add Another Mailbox. Find the account that you want to log out. Tap on the toggle switch next to the account to disable it, or tap on Edit and then Remove. Tap on Turn Off Account from this device and you'll be done. Once removed or disabled, you'll be signed out and you need to log back in, and you can log back in any time with your password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.